Oh, now you can see the flat area where they had the growing.
Right.
Where they cut all the brush away.
Uh-huh. Can you actually see where the brush is cut?
Sorry.
There's the bridge, and that ridge right there on the other side of it is silver on the side. Is burned, and we've decided that the way to go is there's a gully right there which we started up and came out of, is to cut through the brush to the little saddle there, and that should take you right in. There's Grizzly Flat Plantation over there. There's the bridge, the road. There's the utility lines up there. That next pole's just up there.